again. Hello, little carnival ship in the distance. Hi, sweetie. Thank you. Look who's up there, guys. Nyla is Rapunzel. Joyful. You're good.
It is.
These are quantum cores, cutting-edge technology that for the first time allows us to specifically target our PIM particles to shrink or grow just about anything.
Please don't get any crumbs on it.
When we give you the direction, you push the buttons on your cores, and they send a signal to the regulator here, which in turn remotely targets an object to shrink or grow.
Easy, right? I'll show you. Let's shrink something already, huh?
Do it.
All right, I moved this from my cabin because I couldn't fit it under the bed. Oh, this. Like this? I made this. It's a swan.
Adorable, but you think you need a swan.
Anyway, I want to shrink this suitcase and the swan to make it easier to take home.
Well, making it smaller would make it better. Ready? Initiate power-up sequence.
Target acquired. Quantum cores are online. Prepare to push your buttons.
Wait, prepare.
In 3, 2,
1,
activate.
Push it, Jojo.
Pretty sweet, right?
Uh-oh.
Whoa, what is it? What is that?
That is your towel swan.
Oh.
Spider-Man is here. I got a video. Nice to have you again. Hello, Vanessa. Howdy, howdy. We're going over to Atlanta. There's that. What? All right. Say hi, gang. We got what's the Liberty of the Seas behind us from Royal Caribbean. But we are here courtesy of Disney with more coming. probably. Arendelle at Olaf's picnic. Josiah has a troll. Oh. Wow. I didn't. I had a professional do it, but thank you so much.
Maybe you have another somebody with ice magic like my sister.
Yes.
Oh, great.
That really comes in handy when you have the official ice master and deliverer of Arendelle around too.
It's a real title, I promise.
Enjoy the picnic, friends.
Thank you so much. She's talking about my ice nails. Let me see if I can get it coming to focus. That's what she was referring to.
It's so wonderful to see you, friends. Have we been enjoying everything so far, even the music?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. How did the mandolin lessons go? Did you think you did a pretty good job? Yes? Well, you know, Christoph is working on starting his own band in Arendelle, so maybe we can have you join too. Do you think you should play the mandolin or a different instrument? The mandolin? Oh, perfect. Maybe you and Christoph and Olaf can form a sort of royal kindred trio. What do you think? Wonderful. I will let him know you said so, okay?
Take a picture?
Oh, I think we're going to take lots of royal portraits at the end too, so don't worry. And lots of warm hugs, okay? Can I have one more warm hug before I go though? Oh, thank you. I hope you all enjoy the rest of the
Thank
night.
you.
Thank you.
Yes.
What's the rest?
So this is debarkation day, and we're in room 7030. And this is a Cinderella inspired room, as you can see. Got the bed here. I always like to show the hidden Mickeys that they have in the, see? That's Mickey's head there. And they got the enchanted pillows. This is a nice feature that they didn't have on some of the other ships, where you could kind of dim your light. And then there's more Mickeys on there. We have our children with us, so this becomes a couch. And this goes back up into the ceiling as upper berth. And look, you got fairy godmother up there. My parents had a frozen room. We have a veranda. Very nice. We're gonna definitely be getting verandas going forward. And as I said, we're leaving, so it's a little bit in disarray, but nice, spacious for a family of 4. Split bathrooms, split closets. There's 3 sections to the closet. The middle section has some shelving for you to put clothes on, since there are no real dressers here. And the refrigerator actually is down here in this space. So that was different, but it worked out. So, yeah, signing off.